everyone, this is Kamila Bendersky, and today's lesson is about simplified version of Spring by Vivaldi. An amazing, beautiful piece, and if you haven't heard the original version of it, so definitely listen, and you should probably listen to the whole thing. It's called Seasons. So today I'm gonna go through some basic stuff, some structure, some markings, and the first part. Let's start with structure because it's so much more convenient and just easier to start the piece once you know the structure. You know, it's like going into a room that is, full of light instead of going into the room that is dark and you barely can see anything. So before we start, let's just talk about that a little bit. So we can see that it starts with this melody, right? Yeah, so it's the main melody. And let's mark this first bar with A, with big A, okay? And then let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can see that 7th bar, actually the upbeat, the 4th beat of the 6th bar is actually where it starts. Yeah, so we can see that it starts with the same note, and it repeats the beginning. Yeah, so let's put another A right above the C, the 4th beat of the 6th measure. And let's just be clear that I'm not counting the first measure, which is upbeat. Yeah, I'm not counting that. So we can see that we have basically 2 repeats. Another repeat. Yes. So here I stopped, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. So it is 12th bar. Yeah, let me check one more time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 12th bar, and I'm stopping here on D in my right hand. So this is the end of the repeat, the end of 2 repeats. Yeah. And then right after that, 13th bar, it's a different melody, so it's a new material which starts like this. Yeah, and it continues through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars again. And you probably noticed that we have the 6 bar structure here. Yeah, usually it's 4 bars or 8 bars, but here it's really interesting. We have 6 bars for each part. So let's put B right above the 13th bar. So it's a new material, kind of a new part, new melody. And then right after this part ends, right here, yeah, it's bar 14th, 16, 17, 18, yeah, bar 18th. On bar 19th, we can see right away that again it's a new melody. We're only gonna use our right hand, yeah? So it's gonna go like this. Yeah? And we can see that it's actually 5 bars of new melody. So let's put C right on top of the 15th bar. Oh, sorry, not 15th, 19th bar. Yeah. And again, it's part C. And right after those 5 bars of this melody in the right hand, we come back to this. And you probably noticed that it is a first melody, right? That we marked as A. So let's put A there again. So it is bar 24. Okay. And then it ends, right? So I'm gonna play the whole thing and just notice the structure and how easier it gets once you know how many repeats you have, where's your new material, where's the old material. So yeah.